People, here is the Spanish budget AC climate control situation. Spain, very hot, sunny, 30, 36, 40 degrees hot in the summer. Bucket of water and a fake plastic grass. This works by evaporation, so you just put a little bit everywhere, you make it wet. When it's wet, it evaporates throughout the day and creates a cold, 5 degrees colder climate on the feet, so the feet feel cold on the terrace. There is also a normal electricity AC, but the evaporation AC works without electricity and can work in any climate around the world. Can be the fake plastic grass is the best, like this, or it can be also the mats, the coconut mats, if you have like this situation, or any deep carpet that can soak up the water and evaporate throughout the day. So if you had a hot climate like in Spain in the summer, you can use this evaporative AC. Additional trick from the south of Spain, they have these metal chain curtains. The metal chain curtains prevent the hot air from going into the room, so they interchange the temperature from the inside and the outside in the chain. So the hot go here, the hot stay in the chain, it doesn't go in. Same for the cold. I hope that helps someone.